Coinexx Broker Review. Is it legit or a scam trading platform? So Coinexx is an online forex and CFD broker that positions itself as a crypto-based trading platform, allowing deposits and withdrawals exclusively through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it accepts only crypto deposits and withdrawals. It has a high leverage of up to 1 per 500. It also offers a wide range of forex, CFD, and crypto assets, and there's no KYC requirement, and it is privacy focused. Now for the cons though, it is completely unregulated broker. It has limited transparency on company ownership and locations, high risk of fund security issues, and there's no protection schemes like regulated brokers offers. So overall, Coinex is a real but unregulated broker that caters to traders who prefer crypto-only funding and anonymity. While it offers high leverage and broad market access, the lack of regulation and investor protections makes it highly risky to use.